Unong alam ka United Democratic Party UDP ubak polling do ulakin tad ban mi ya ai reng ha kanik election MP shiteng samoy kaban wan na shlong namar ka jingklat no jong u MP u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ha ka khandai trik rampang habakran shakilat ptai ka bor ha ka sandrik liber uni u MLA ka West Shlong ula ong baka jingpen na jingmot ka jong u kadangyay long ha ka bayade bat ki jing e ki badan ha ka jela ngalapan le jingmut pura ya kasan perthei hakajala namar kidang don shibun ki bedang hapan le hakajala kadon ka jing suba ka basyai bha hakajing don kinongelam ki bala ban trei hapo kajala kumta ka jing pen jingmut jonga hakane klipman ka bamenta hi kalong tang hapo put usam jong ka Meghalaya ong ubapon ulapun pauru da ka baong ka party kadon ye kinongelam ki batbin Henry ukwa ban pendap shwa ya ka samoy turekam jong ka assembly hadin baka jingat lenti ka dap jam ya ka marshiteng ngidaw shidap jam ya ki arsnam shiteng ha ka samoy ka bamenta nakwa ban penthikna bangan pendap ya ka samoy ban penhun optang ya kinong that vote jong ka West Shillong Henry jong ka jela hi borok ka wei ula ban ram habakali la un pediang ne em ya ka jingkar pat ka party ba unya khon ya ka election lok sabha uba pol ula jubam ngan kentaj da ka don buram yakum ka ni ka jingkar pat ha ka bayade bat ki election GHADC uba pol ula ong ba ka UDP kampat shim yakin do satya banyakran halor ki e ki sen jam ki ban shim kumbala kran da general secretary ngindang shim ya ka rai halor ka ni ngamdan jingtip nama ka party kampat yakin do satya ula ong
As has been mentioned by Party General Secretary, we are yet to take any call.
So, but you are planning to put up cadre?
I am not aware because the party is yet to meet.
What is the scope of the party? Because
I really have no idea because I have been preoccupied with the budget session and thereafter I have also been preoccupied with activities of the Social Welfare Department. No. I have decided to focus entirely on state politics because there is so much to be done in the state and there is clear gap of capable leaders within the state. Therefore, my entire focus as of this moment is within the jurisdiction of the state of Meghalaya. I have capable leaders, but you will also realize that we have just crossed the 2.5-year mark of the current house. I would like to ensure that I complete this term to the satisfaction of not just the electorate of 18 West Shillong constituency, but also the state of Meghalaya.
But if the party makes a request to you to contest,
I will likely decline such a request.